Hi, let us continue learning about factorization by regrouping terms. We saw that regrouping helps when no single factor is common across all terms, right? In this video, let us continue learning the same method with a new example. Okay, here is our example. Let us factorize 2a square b plus 4ab square plus 3a plus 6b, right? So in this example also we are following these steps. Check for a common factor in all terms, group the terms in pairs, factorize each group and then put them together. Okay, let us continue with our step 1, that is to check for a common factor in all terms, right? First always check if there is a common factor across all the terms, right? Here in this question, the terms are 2a square b, 4ab square, 3a and 6b, right? There is no single factor that is common in all four terms, right? Or we can also say that there is no single factor that divides all four terms. We will move to regrouping, that is our step number 2. We can group the terms like this. We can keep 2a square b and 4ab square in one group. I will write it down here. And 3a plus 6b in another group. These two terms, right? Okay, we group in this way because in each pair we can already see some common factors, right? Now we move to step number 3, that is to factorize each group. Okay, so let us take first group, that is 2a square b plus 4ab square. I will write it down here. Okay, 2a square b can be written as 2 multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by b, right? And 4ab square can be written as 4 will be written as 2 multiplied by 2, then multiplied by a, then multiplied by b and b, right? Here the common factor is, I can see 2 is common in both the terms, then a is common, and then b is common in both the terms, right? So the common factor in both the terms is 2ab, right? So we take out 2ab. So 2a square b plus 2 sorry 4ab square is equal to, we have taken out 2ab, and in the bracket we will have, from the first term this a is left, so I will write a in the bracket, plus from the second term we have 2 and this b is left, so I will write 2b, right? Now let us take second group, that is 3a plus 6b, right? 3a will be written as 3 multiplied by a, and 6b will be written as 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6, and then b, right? Here let us find out the common factor. 3 is common in both the terms, and I do not see if there is anything common in both the terms, right? So 3 is common in both the terms, so we take 3 out. Okay, now 3a plus 6b is equal to, I am taking 3 out, then in the bracket I will have, from the first term a is left, I will write a, plus from the second term 2 multiplied by b, that is 2b is left, I will write 2b here. So this is how we break both the terms, right? Now for the fourth step we need to put them together. Okay, so our expression becomes, this is equal to, from the first group we got 2ab and in the bracket a plus 2b. So I will write it here, 2b and in the bracket a plus b, plus from the second group 3a plus 6b we got 3 multiplied by, in the bracket a plus 2b. I will write it down here, 3 and in the bracket a plus 2b. I'm sorry, in the first group also we had a plus 2b, but I have written here only a plus b, but this should be a plus 2b, right? Okay, So here both the terms have a common factor, that is a plus 2b. I see a plus 2b in first group and a plus 2b in second group as well. Okay. So I will take out a plus 2b. I will write it here. A plus 2b I have taken out because it is common in both the groups. And then in the bracket what I will have from first group we have 2ab, plus from the second group we have 3 that is left. So I am putting them in a second bracket. Okay. So this is the final answer. The factors of 2a square b plus 4ab square plus 3a plus 6b are a plus 2b and 2ab plus 3, right? And both of these are irreducible factors. That means it cannot be reduced further. Okay. Let us see what we have learned today. So we have learned that we need to use regrouping when there is no single factor in common. After that we saw we need to pair terms so each group has a common factor, right? Later we factorized each group to get a new common factor. And after that we took out the factor to get the final expression. Okay. Hope you like this concept and this example. In my next video, I will bring more new concepts and examples. Thank you for watching.